If ever I had a video.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously. Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. Well, Android has recently announced the new Android version, which will be called as Android Pie. So, in today's video, I'll be telling you about the new update which is being rolled out for the Lenovo K8 Note. Guys, this is not the Pie update for Lenovo K8 Note, but yeah, we have received a new update. So let's check and find out what is there in store for us. So it is a new version. You can find the name over here. It is called as OMB 27.4362. so this is the new version, and it is actually nothing but the Android security updates until 5th July. Earlier it were available till 5th May. So this is something good. I mean, the security update is just 1 month old. Apart from that, stability improvement. So I believe this is not a major update, but anyways, it's good that Lenovo is pushing out regular updates whatsoever. At least the security patch level is being updated for the Lenovo K8 Note users. So this is something great, and also they always try to fix few of the minor bugs which were introduced in the previous version update. So this is something very good from their part, and let's hope that we even get the Android 8.1 update, because as of now we have Android 8.0. so let's wait. I don't think whether we would get the Android 9 update for this one, but if we get it, so that would be too much to ask for this price range phone. So I'll just download it and will install the setup and will be back in this video. So I have started the downloading and it is already downloaded 76%. The update was around 156 MB. So I'll just download it and then I'll install it, and then I will show like what all differences I do feel in this one. So yeah, let's wait for the update to download and install, and then I'll let you know what all changes I do feel in this one. So guys, I have downloaded and installed the latest update. So I'll quickly head over to the settings and let's see whether it's updated or not. So I'll just go to the update about this about phone, and you can see Android security patch level is of 5th July 2018, which is around 1 month back, and the build number is OMB 27.4362, so which I told you. So as of now I don't find any much improvements apart from the security patch which is being updated. So I would recommend all the K8 Note users to quickly install this app and update your security patch level, and let me know if you find some improvements. Comment down below and let me know if you find any improvement in the new update. Even I will make a video if I come to know about it. So hope you guys like this small video about the Lenovo K8 Note, and I will see you guys in next one. Thanks for watching.